Hi, I'm Matt Perry of Perry Window Cleaning, and we're preparing your quote. We like to do it in detail, and sometimes it takes a little bit of computer knowledge to open it up, so we're going to show you how that works. Hopefully, you'll be happy with our quote, and we'll be taking care of what you need to get done, be it window cleaning, gutter cleaning, or any other service that we offer. Here's how the estimate comes in the email. It says estimate you requested, and may have a picture of your project or house. Down below a video, you can see the services we offer and how we clean with 100% pure water. Then right here, you click on this to view the proposal. Then it will open up automatically to the introduction page, and it has the tabs on the left if you're on the desktop computer. It may scroll differently on a cell phone or a tablet. But anyway, there's the introduction. Then our focus for you may be pictures of your project, 2 or 3 of them. Then we have our guarantee of our work and your guarantee to take care of paying us. Then we have see our insurance. We actually have insurance, not just say it, we show it too. You can open all these up later and look at them in detail. We've got some reviews or testimonials. We have some additional services that we do, before and after photos. We actually have the proposal or quote that is your main concern, and then we have a closing letter or statement. And but let's go back, and you can review these as you want. We'll focus mostly on the proposal, though, the part you really want to open. So we're kind of skimming through. There's our insurance. There's some testimonials, before and after pictures. Our other services we offer there. And here's the proposal. Now as this opens up, you'll see it's very detailed. On the top right, there's an accept button or decline button. But before you do that, you need to look and see what you're accepting and check off the boxes that you want done. So if you look here at the top of this list, we've got 3rd story double hung windows in and out. There's that accept button at the top. And this is just an example of how we have it. So there's the accept and decline. I'm getting ahead of myself a little bit there. Here we go. 3rd story double hung windows in and out. You see 8 of them at $13. The total of everything is $503 on this example. You can see it there. And so here we go. We'll go down and say, yes, I want to get the 3rd story double hungs done. And you can see that's $104 on the right hand side there. And then the 2nd story double hungs, 1st story, 2nd story, everything's in detail. Single pane windows in and out, 1st story single panes in and out, doors or door size, maybe include a storm door or small side lights, and then skylights. Then you think, maybe I don't want to do the skylights. Well, let's see, that takes it down to $440. Well, I don't really want to get up there and do those myself, so I'll leave that checked off. Maybe I'll do the doors myself. We save a little bit of money there. You know what? They take credit card, Perry Window Cleaning does, so I'm just going to do it all. Let's go up and hit accept. Click on the accept button, and everyone thinks they're done here at this point, but not quite. It's almost done, as you can see there. We have the list here showing and everything, but down below, it's asking you to suggest up to 3 preferred dates that work for you. Maybe it doesn't necessarily work with our schedule, but dates that you would prefer or that work for you. Or a little easier option is check the box down below that says no date preference. It'll send us an email saying, hey, it's up to us to get it in the schedule, and we'll try to coordinate with you on what works. You can also put some additional comments in there too, like, please call first so I can put our dog up. And that way we know what's going on. So anyway, there's that. And then once you've decided what to do, typed in your message, if any, or just hit the no date preference or one of the 3 dates above, or maybe all of them, then hit the confirm button. Now once you confirm, it will also confirm with you that you have completed it, and that you'll be hearing from us for scheduling. So that's how it works. That's how you open the quote. If you're like me, I'm 65 plus, and we don't want to have any confusion. So enjoy, and thank you for watching.